All right, what's up everyone? So it's been a really long time since I posted a video. I was up in Boston finishing up my master's degree in computer science, so I'm all done that now. And I'm finally back in Pennsylvania 12 out of 12 months of the year instead of 3 out of 12 months to keep working on the car and stuff. So I got some exciting stuff coming up. I just rented a 2,000 square foot garage, so my lease is starting early March, so I'll be showing some of that, and that should be fun. So I'll be doing a lot in there, picking up another 98 S70 GLT to start testing my Mega Squirt boards and my paddle shifter boards. And I also got my engine torn down out of my T5R, and I'll show you that a little bit right now. So basically I had to tear this engine down. Unfortunately the valves slightly hit the pistons. You can see right there. JE Pistons didn't put any release in the, valve release in the pistons. I asked them to, but they said they weren't needed. But they unfortunately hit. And you can see there's also a little bit of damage to the cylinder walls. I think this is due to some detonation. My Mega Squirt, the trigger on my Mega Squirt was off by about 12 cam degrees and I think 24 crank degrees. So it was causing some pretty bad det and kind of beat up the cylinders a little bit, but shouldn't be a big problem. That should just hone right out. They're really not too bad. Pulled a valve out of the head. They don't seem to be bent or anything, but I'm going to get them all checked and get the head, cleaned up and whatnot. But just wanted to do a, small update video on what's going on. And hopefully about here in a month or so, I'll be moving into my, my garage, 2,000 square feet. So I'll be doing a lot in there and hopefully starting to put out a lot more content now that school's over. See you guys in a little bit.